Hey everybody. Okay, so hey everybody, I got my camera set up. So what you do is you take all the vinyl, the old vinyl off, pull off the old staples, and lay your vinyl in there like that. Sandy, what you doing, girl? Come on, I'm gonna be making a video, man. Everybody, this is Sandy, my pit bull. Okay, what's going on here? Can I? Let me do what I'm doing. Come on, girl. Come on. All right, so you get your vinyl, you lay it out. Make sure it's exactly the same. Well, and then what I like to do is I got an electric stapler. You know, you gotta have electric stapler, and I use stainless steel staples. These Arrow staples right here, they're stainless steel and they won't rust. And they'll go through the plastic, you know. But what I'll do is I'll lay my vinyl over. And by the way, this is me on guitar. And that's me, well, it's not me on the drums, but it's a pedal. Basically, lay this vinyl, stretch it across like so. The trick to it is stretching the material. You don't want to get any rolls, you know. You don't want to get any wrinkles in it. So, and then when you do these turns, it's really tricky. I like to do my turns first, but I'll stretch my corner, you know. I'm not a pro, by the way, but I did this seat over here. Turned out really nice, as you can see. I stapled the shit out of it. I'm no pro, but so you see how there's going to be a wrinkle here, but I'm going to cut that, and there's no room for mistakes on this stuff because vinyl's very expensive, you know. So I like to staple to one side, stretch it out. Now see, I'm getting these wrinkles here, but I can cut it. I bet these guys that are pros are looking at me saying, God, he's doing a horrible job. see. It's all about stretching and pulling at this point. Yeah, you guys are looking at me. This thing's definitely kicking my bootay. Uh-oh. Out of staples, guys. Guys, basically getting drift here. It's a big stretching game. Stretch your seat out. You set your staples, you pull them, stretch them. You can cut, make your angles, but it's a stretching game with this vinyl, you know. You just gotta stretch it, staple it, pull it. You know, you just gotta work with it. You get the hang of the dough once you start practicing. You know, you gotta stretch it and staple it and shit. But it's a lot of work. You just gotta take your time, you know. But